This is all your shopping area. There's your Sky Princess and our ship. And then the Aqua back there. We're going to go to the Sushi Bar and get a bushwhacker. All right, so this is where we're going. You can just pretty much walk down the first street all the way, and you're gonna be right next to the ships. So we'll see you inside. Benny Iguanas. Where are we going?
We're not going to and we've already ordered our food, so we want to let you know where we'll be.
Yum, 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 yum. French onion soup tonight. Yum, yum, yum.
You'll see what we got.
All right, I'll bring it to you that menu right about
Now.
Chris got tomatoes and cheese. Little guy got stuffed mushrooms. We got nothing.
Mozzarella and tomato.
Magic. Terry got French onion soup.
Yeah.
And I got French onion soup.
What is that?
My second appetizer, stuffed mushrooms.
Oh, we got another one?
Yeah.
Alright, Terry got a burger again.
Yeah.
And I'm gonna eat my mushrooms.
One of these days, I'm getting one.
Kevin got the spare ribs. They look really awesome.
They do, and they smell really good.
And Chris got the spare ribs. I got the linguine with crab. And then Terry still tearing up her burger.
competition.
Keep it going.
Keep it going, but not like the other two until they do better. No, I'm kidding. All right. So you're going to throw first for us. You see how it goes. 13 no bus. First person to get there or higher. So go ahead and let that first one rip, as she said. Okay. I mean, it's not on there, but that was... Yeah.
Okay, first of all, it's hot in here.
It is very warm.
We're in the Carnival Bar. It's in the back of the ship.
They make the best.
Taking out the chair.
But they do make the best of
They're
chocolate
so
martinis.
good. That's why we came back here again. It's been a long day. We did
Oh,
Walkers
there we
in
go.
St. Martin.
Ooh, it almost
We had
fell
St.
off.
great.
Thomas.
Oh, I'm sorry,
There was
St.
two on
Thomas.
there.
We had great dinner.
Little strong, little
I went to
strong.
see Wicked 2, and Pat went to
Starting to
Casino.
hit you back here.
And I won.
Ha! Lots of money.
Laugh.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right.
So anyway, we're heading off.
Oh,
and
so
we'll
close.
see you tomorrow
but
in Antigua.
That was
And
3 to 2. So we're
Alright,
sitting
so
at
we're gonna take a
6
tour of the island
so
and
far,
go to the
now you
beach.
won the round, so you will get to the
All right, we'll
first
bring
one.
that to you.
Cheers.
Say
He
goodnight.
said she won the last round.
Night.